Ah, what an ass. Yes, that was a perfect dash cam clip. That was an Acura, in case the camera didn't make it out. I'll shut this so you can hear me better. That was an Acura. And I saw him behind me. I saw him get impatient. There was a cop that was on the road on the left that we passed by in a school zone. So I was going deliberately slow. And, you know, I'm just biding my time. I'm in no rush to get where I'm going. So I, you know, just took my time, and I saw him creeping up behind me. I saw there was a little opening where he might be able to squeeze in. So, of course, you know, I just gave it a little bit of gas just to get up there to close the gap. Just enough that he might pussy out. But no, he went for it anyway. And then you saw, he said, oh shit, I really fucked that up. And then you saw me go to, you know, behind him, and he darted in. You know where he turned in? That's the fucking service entrance for that shopping center. The only way, the way that he went, the first thing he's greeted with is a speed bump. And there's nowhere to turn from there. You are stuck driving behind all of the buildings. There's nowhere to turn around or do anything. And, yeah, he definitely fucked up, and he knew it. So, there you go. Nice dash cam clip. You know, just a nice little clip. So, anyways, thank you very much for watching. As you can see, the dash cam works again, like I explained, but the time and date are wrong, and I'm not going to try to set that again, because last time I did, it didn't want to do that kind. It actually locked up while I was setting it, so I said, you know what, just leave it there, let it do its shit, and that's it. So, anyway, like I said, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit like, make sure you hit subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.